So there have been a number of issues with accessing or finding things on our Blackboard course. So in an effort to try and get everybody onto the same page, I'm going to walk through how to find the assignments and the due dates and the readings and things like that on our course Blackboard for English 219. So first I'm on Blackboard, and the first thing is everything is in course content. Okay, if you have not found the syllabus, which I certainly hope you have by now, it is in the Start Here section. And it is, there we go. So it is here, course syllabus. Here is where you will have found information such as my contact info, my office hours, and the important pages are start on page 3. Okay, so you've got the due dates for the discussion posts, journals, and the quizzes on Pearson Online. Okay, so the next chapter quiz is due Thursday, October 22nd. Okay, there's also some information on expectations and grading, and then a breakdown of what we are reading for each module. Okay, so we are finishing up module 3. So the next thing I want to show you is Pearson. We'll get to that in a minute. Okay, and the modules are all broken down. So right now you have access to the first 3. So in module 3, you have things to read. Okay, so I've put notes up for the 3 essays that are assigned in this module. So there are summaries of Scott Russell Sanders' The Men We Carry in Our Minds, Bell Hooks's essay on feminism, and Maggie Helwig's Hunger. So here's Scott Russell Sanders' summary that we've written on The Men We Carry in Our Minds. And there's one for Bell Hooks and Maggie Helwig as well. Okay, there's also the assignment. There is also the assignment, so this is where you will submit your written summary, okay, with explanation on when it is due, what readings you can choose from. There's some formatting things in here, some suggestions on what to read in your textbook. Okay, and you will attach this summary, click agree to the plagiarism tool. You don't need to write any comments, and you will click submit. There is also a discussion post. So you will write a discussion post based on one of these 3 prompts. Now, getting to Pearson. So this has been a learning curve for myself as well as you and many of the other teachers as well. So here's the link to Pearson. This is your textbook as well as where you access the quizzes. Okay, so if you have the digital textbook, you access it through this. So this is what your Pearson looks like. Okay, it is, I have all the due dates already for all of the different chapters. So if you click on any of the chapters, you can read through. And when you finish reading through the chapter, that takes you to the quiz that you can complete. Now, some of you have been a little bit confused or concerned about assignments. I have assigned the readings with kind of arbitrary due dates, just so that it's easier for you to access the essays that we need to read. Okay, so again, when you go to Pearson and it looks like this, you will see what's due next on October 10th is the essays. Okay, so if I click on this, there is the essay from Maggie Helwig. If you click through, you can then read the essay from Bell Hooks, and then finally the Scott Russell Sanders essay. Okay, so I've just tried to simplify and make it easier for you to find the essays by making them an assignment. Okay, there's no grades attached to any of this. It's only the quizzes that have grades attached to them. Okay. If you find that you have missed a due date, right? So for example, we can't see the quizzes on here anymore. Okay. You can find everything by going through the table of contents. So just at the top here, contents, and this is all of the chapters, and then all of the readings, all of the essays that are in the textbook, as well as the final parts at the end with some grammatical advice and writing advice. So everything from your textbook is found on Pearson online. So, again, Blackboard is where there is supplementary materials. So notes that I've written about essays. It's also where you can find the assignment. If you click on assignment, it will tell you what essays you can write about. It's got information about what is expected of you. The other thing for major assignments is if you click View Rubric, you can see the rubric that I use to mark these assignments. So you can see what the expectations are for you in these assignments. Okay? So I hope that helps you a little bit with navigating through the course materials and the quizzes. I hope that if there are other things that I have missed here, that you will be comfortable reaching out and asking, either through email or by visiting me during one of my office hours. Okay, thank you very much.